We've said that well-being is a very big focus for this term, so it's timely to do an episode on well-being for early years, looking at developing resilience and how that links to transition. The social, emotional, and well-being of young children is integral to their learning and their development. But what does it actually mean? And as important grown-ups in their lives, what could we do to help them? First, we need to understand that social and emotional skills are linked to sense of self, as well as relationships, emotions, and learning are all connected. Next, we need to understand what children are typically able to do around kindergarten age, socially and emotionally. So things like turn-taking, enjoying cooperative games with rules, role-playing with friends, being able to control their feelings, talking about their feelings, showing a sense of belonging. These are quite typical of a kindergarten child. But developmentally, we need to recognize their feelings and emotions before reasoning with them. So instead of saying, stop crying, don't do that, why are you upset? We should recognize their feelings by saying, I know you're frustrated, I'm here to help, and reassuring them before trying to problem solve with them. So how can we foster well-being? First, help your child make connections. Helping children to recognize their character strengths is a great way to develop their confidence. So things like noticing and naming, spotting strengths. For example, you were really patient while waiting in line. Or I noticed how you were working so hard on a puzzle together. Great teamwork. Help them find a role model. Children learn from what you do. Be a positive role model, or relate to their favorite story character and talk about strengths. The more you're able to demonstrate positive social traits like warmth and empathy, the better off your children will be. The next one's easy. Be active. Help your child stay active. Play silly games together, like dance and freeze or DIY obstacle games. This is also a great opportunity to learn new games and rules of games and work as a team. Discover a new interest, like a new sport or a new dance. Move your mood. Next, help your child to be mindful. Our minds are very busy, so finding ways to focus on the here and now is another way to build your child's well-being. Simple breathing exercise such as breathing with your teddy buddy. These simple breathing exercises will help your child to remain in the here and now. Other games like I Spy with My Little Eyes can also help. It's not about what you can find, but it's about whether you can focus on the game and bring your attention back when it wanders. Teach your child to be kind and give. Kindness is a crucial part of well-being. There are so many ways we can show kindness every day. Wear a kindness cape, for example. Children love to be superheroes, so why not be one? Wear an imaginary kindness cape and work with others to do superhero acts of kindness. Give something. Getting your child to donate old toys or clothes to charity, or volunteering to save the planet by recycling. Giving time. You can involve your child in the process right from the start and let them understand why you're doing these kindness acts. Nurture a growth mindset. Keep learning. Building resilience is so important to help us cope with challenges, setbacks, or failures. Children with a growth mindset are more likely to try again and learn how they can improve. So use the word yet, the power of yet. This tiny word brings a powerful message on the learning process. You can't do it yet. Practice and fail together. Trying something new can be scary, so it's often better when you do it with someone else. Children can see and learn as they can see grown-ups react when things don't work out and then try again together. Success in school involves both social, emotional, and cognitive skills because social interaction and self-control affects readiness for learning. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Here are 5 ways to well-being.